I would like to share my favorite themes for Visual Studio Code. And there will be a huge list with lots of themes and different variations and shades. So let's get going. And to choose particular theme, we can execute color theme command in here and switch between available themes. And I'm going to start this list with the theme called Catppuccin. It is widely used theme nowadays. As you can see, it provides us with 4 different variations, including light and dark themes. And all those themes primarily use purple shades. And Catppuccin is not only one theme for VS Code. It actually has lots of different variations for many applications, including browsers and terminals. On the official website you can explore it more and see what application this theme is available for. And this way you can choose the same theme for most of your applications and kind of achieve consistent development environment. Another theme is called Catppuccin Noir. This theme is inspired by the original Catppuccin theme, and the main difference between the original one and this one is that this Catppuccin Noir theme has darker background, so in general this theme has more contrast. Another theme that is inspired by Catppuccin is called Calmpuccin. As far as I know, this is a new theme and it works only in VS Code starting from 1.99 version. You can try out some of those variations and maybe them will look better to your taste. I also like another similar theme called Kitty VS Code theme. In here we also have some purple shades and deeper dark background. Alright, now we're gonna move on from Catppuccin variations to another theme called Rose Pine. Just like Catppuccin, it also provides a lot of different themes for many applications. And on the official website you can check if this theme provides variation for applications that you use. And since I like purple shades, I have found another similar theme to Rose Pine called Rose Noctis. And this theme has purple shades, and still in some ways similar to Rose Pine. Alright, moving on. One of the most popular themes nowadays is called Dracula. Personally, I don't use this theme, but it definitely looks great. And on the official webpage of this theme, you can also find different variations for many applications. So by using this theme, you can achieve consistent colors in whole your development environment. The next one is iconic theme called Material theme. It has been one of the most popular themes for a long time, but as documentation says, now this theme is called Vira theme. The old Material theme will no longer be supported, so the Vira theme is a paid successor. If you're interested, check out their official website, and you might even consider to purchase it. Another iconic theme is called Monokai theme. The original Monokai theme has been released more than 15 years ago, and the Monokai Pro is the most up-to-date version of the Monokai theme. It also has several variations, and you might want to explore them if you like original Monokai theme. This theme also has official webpage, and right away you can see that this one is available for such editors as Sublime Text, VS Code, and JetBrains IDEs. The next theme is one of the most popular ones these days, and it is called One Dark Pro. This theme was previously used in the editor called Atom. You can learn more about this theme and also how to customize particular aspects of this theme on their official webpage. And we are moving on to the next theme, which is called Bearded theme. This one has so many different variations and all of them look great. The next theme that we are going to look into is called Aura theme. Besides providing theme for VS Code, it also has different options for other applications. But before, I would also like to show another variation of this theme called Aura Dracula Spirit. And this is exactly the theme that I had been using for a while in tutorials. On the GitHub page of Aura theme, you can find which applications this theme is available for. Here you can see that besides the code editors, this theme is also available for many different terminal applications as well as browsers. Another widely used theme, especially in VS Code, is called Night Owl, and this theme primarily uses dark blue shades. You have probably come across this one already. Another theme with a similar name called Night Wolf. This one also has some great looking variations with high contrast. Let's move on to the next one. It's called GitHub theme. This theme has similar colors to the one used on the GitHub website. It also has light variation, darker variation, and the darkest one. The next theme will look much different from those that we have already reviewed, and it is called Gruvbox theme. This one has kind of a retro style, and color selections of this theme really blend nice together. Besides this one, there are also some other options when it comes to Gruvbox theme, for example Gruvbox material. It has 2 additional variations, which you may find to look better for your personal taste. There is also one called Min Gruvbox, and the main difference between this one and previous variations is that this one has darker background. Another good looking theme is called Kanagawa. It has a mix of dark purple, orange, yellow, and green shades. In addition to this theme, if you'd like to get more variations, you can also install Kanagawa flavors, and you'll get 3 more variations that have a pretty creative look. Moving on to the theme called Ayu. I suppose that this one can now be considered classic theme since it has been around for a while already. And colors of this theme are also much different from those that we have already reviewed. There are also light, darker, and deeper dark options. Let's check out another popular theme called Tokyo Night. This one also looks great. I also decided to include another variation of this theme, which is also called Tokyo Night. It has 4 additional schemes that also look great to my taste. Another theme is called Nari. It has some purplish and pinky vibes. And the contrast between the background and the text is not that drastic. Alright, cool. At the end, I would like to also share another extension called Best Themes Redefined. And this is not one particular theme, instead it has 90 other popular themes. Lots of them we have already reviewed in this video, but the themes included in this extension has some small tweaks to make them look even better here and there. Feel free to explore all those variations, and there is a high chance that you might find one that you will enjoy using. And that's a wrap. Links to all themes mentioned in this video will be in the description.